typing? Where's Mommy going?
There we go.
Are we going to the train station? Yes, we are.
Jackets that's just the size of a car. And every time.
Hey. What does it say here?
Railway cross. Look out for the locomotive. You're making an X. But I really like them when they're an X.
Go in, Isaac. Isaac, look at all this. Isaac,
What?
what's going on?
Let them on train show.
Oh, yeah.
Well, excuse me, Dad.
Yes?
When you get home, you will have to make us jackets that are just the size of a car.
We have to make new jackets for the cars?
It needs to be jackets that are the size of.
32 degrees in the winter and it's 120.
Here comes the train.
Can you see it, Isaac? Can you see the train?
What did you say, Isaac?
I want to see where they go. They are when they
Pretty cool train, huh? You see the train town? Look at the town.
Oh my gosh!
It looks a little bit like Truckee and like we're giants. Doesn't it feel like we're giants and we're looking over at Truckee?
Yeah, that looks like the Truckee River.
Yeah, maybe that's what happened.
See the water over there? See the logs in the water?
Oh yeah!
We're gonna have to take turns.
Oh, no, they're not all up. Look, look at this one. Isaac! Look at the one right behind you.
It's in the tunnel.
And look at this one right here, Isaac.
Coming out of the tunnel.
Ooh, listen. Isaac. Isaac. What do you think about these trains?
They're cool.
Really? What's cool about them?
It's for when they drive.
Oh, look at those. They're little tiny ones, aren't they?
Tiny ones.
Look at this. More trains. Hey, what do you think?
I think those trains look cool.
Really? What do you like about them?
It's for when they drive.
What are those for? Well, that signifies whether the bridge is open or closed, and whether it's okay to go.
Yeah, is it what it is?
There's Tommy's. Tommy's. It's Tommy's.
It's Thomas. And
It's
Annie and
Thomas.
Clarabelle, too. Huh?
What are they doing there?
What? Rose? What did you see?
And Annie and Clara.
Can you please get stone for me?
You want to go? Okay.
That's okay.
Isaac,
What?
what did you say?
I said all aboard.
All aboard.
All aboard. Hey.
Here comes the train.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's coming up. It's coming round the bend. You see it?
You see.
Do you see it coming?
Henry?
Here it comes, Isaac. Look.
Where is Henry?
Look, Isaac.
On the other side of these houses.
I know it's sad. I'll not see Henry.
Yeah, you can't see them from where you're standing.
Isaac.
What?
Isaac,
Oh,
what
you
did
get this train over there.
Isaac, why did the train stop?
I think because the little people have to get out.
The little people? Hell, they must be very little.
They're teeny tiny.
So Isaac, what was your favorite part of the train show?
It was when we looked at all the trees.
Yeah, I figured.
It was when we looked at all the houses and tracks and cars and trains.
Yeah, what was your favorite part, Mom?
Yeah, the same. Watching Isaac look at all the houses and cars and trains.
Yeah, what do you think, Isaac? Do you like trains now?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to get a train track?
Uh-huh.